Okay, I'm going to do a couple of things here to help you along. I have my I've just finished my Places app, and I noticed that when I try to click on it, when I try it out, I've exported it, and I try it out, I get this geolocation error. So to fix that, it turns out that I need to go to HTTPS. Okay, so HTTPS : and now I don't get the error. It wants to know my location. And we see it works. Thai cuisine. All right. But let's make it so it defaults to HTTPS. So to do that, I've logged into cPanel here, and I go to my file manager, and in the public_HTML directory here, I will create a .htaccess directory, a .htaccess file. So I'm gonna make sure. Can I see? I want to make sure I can see show hidden files. Okay. There's no htaccess. Okay. So I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to name it .htaccess. Create new file, and there it is. And so I'm going to click on it, and now I'm going to edit it. Edit, and I'm going to paste in there these 3 lines. Rewrite engine on, rewrite condition % server port 80, rewrite rule, caret, left paren, period, asterisk, $, so on. Anyway, so paste those in, paste that in or type that in, click save, and we can close this. And now if I go back here and I refresh this, you're not going to see the I was doing some other things here, but you're not going to see the htaccess file because it starts with a dot, and dot files are hidden. However, now when we go to you notice we're already on secure. If I just go to my URL without HTTP anything, it defaults to the secure. And so of course now when I just click on Places, it brings me right in. Alright, so I've solved that dilemma. Okay, now I've just finished my campus travel app. I'm working on this campus travel app, campus travel mobile app, Ionic Creator, and I've finished all this stuff here, and it works. I can go click here, and I notice when I click agent bookings, it loads up some agents there, and click on sales and loads up some sales. But the thing about it is, if we look at the code, we see that in the services, we're actually accessing services that are on this seccrdir.com server, this one where this is, and we would like to have it access. I'd like to have it access my own server. Now, you might not have gotten this far yet, but I've already completed this Campus Angular assignment, and so we already have the database on there. If I go to cPanel and click on phpMyAdmin, we see I already have this campus database on there, so I have the database. I just need the APIs. So I'm going to go back to File Manager, and okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to load these APIs up on my server, and then I'm going to go in there and change all of these to go to my server, and then confirm that it works. Alright, so let me go into, let me just start over again. Go here, I'm going to click on File. I don't need this anymore either. Click on File Manager and go into public_HTML, and I've created a new directory. I'm gonna after this is over, I'm gonna upload my entire app up to this campus Ionic directory that I've created already. I clicked on folder and it created it, and so when I look at my directories, that's what I got rid of. When I look here, I see I've got this campus Ionic already. I click there, and I've already created the global.php. I copied that over from the global.php from over here. Okay, so I've started this, and so first of all, I'm going to install my APIs in this directory, all the rest of the APIs, and then over in Creator, I'm going to change all these to point to my server, and then when I'm all done, I can actually export this app over to my server. We'll see if that works. Alright, so let's go back here. I'm going to create these APIs here. It's add agent, add sale, add services. Add services. What is that? Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't need that one. It's a .js file. Delete it. These PHPs that are the APIs that are accessed in the services folder, or the services JavaScript file in your Creator. So let's go to File Manager, and I'm going to pop this out just to make it easier for me to see which ones I actually have to create. And I'm going to go to here. I'm going to click on New File, and I'm going to call this one Add Agent.php. Create new file, and I'm going to make a Add Sale new file. Add Sale.php. And I'm going to make I don't need create tables because all that does is create the tables that are already there for the Angular, that I have already imported for the other assignment. So I don't need that one. Delete sale. Delete sale.php. And list.php, probably the most important one, list.php, and update sale, update sale.php. Okay, so let's go to add agent here. It's back. Add agent, it's this one. We've got the global already in there, so I'm just going to take this here, and what happens if I do Control A and then Control C and then go over here, and it's Add Agent, click, Edit, Edit, Control V, Save. And I'm just going to check to see what this looks like when I hit refresh and go to Campus Ionic. Oh, they're all there. I'm going to click on, that was Add Agent. Okay, it looks like it ran. It ran fine, that's today. Great. Okay, so so let's I'm going to close this so I don't get confused. So next I'm going to do add sale. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit the back and go to add sale listing, copy, Control A, Control C, add sale, edit, edit, Control V, save, close. Delete sale is edit, go over here, back, delete sale, listing, copy, Control A, Control C, over here, Control V, save changes, close, over here, list.php, click, edit, edit, over here, back, list, select Control A, Control C, Control V, save changes, close, and next is update sale, click, edit, edit, back, listing, select Control A, Control C, click, Control V, save changes, and let's close this. And so I'm going to go down the line here and make sure all of these work. Add sale, that runs. Delete sale, that runs. List, runs. Update sale. Alright, they all run. They all copied over in their PHP programs, and it doesn't look like there's any syntax errors. Alright, so now I'm going to just try to switch these over. And so I've got to figure out an easy way, because there's a lot of them here. What the heck, I'm just going to go down the line. Let's see, I'm in the services, and they're actually, you know, in this particular application, there are not any URL, hard-coded URLs in any of the other files, so it's only in the services, and it's a good idea to try to keep it that way. I sure hope these are the same name. Let's see, agent name in let me see. Never mind. I'm just going to take a chance. I'm actually taking a chance that the database. That this database, the one that's generated for this project, is exactly the same as the one that's generated for this project. I'm not completely sure about that, but okay, let's just see if this works. So let's go back here and let's try. Let's replace this URL. That's secrdir.com/campus/Ionic. And I'm going to replace that with my URL, which is, let's see, list.php. Let me go here, and I'm going to click on list.php. It is this URL. That's the entire thing. Copy. I'm going to copy the entire URL. Go back here, and I'm replacing select, paste. Alright, there's one list. Here's another list. See, I'm sure there's a faster way for me to do this, but I'm just going to do it this way. Here's another list. No, there is a faster way. I'm going to select this set. Select this all the way to the Ionic. I'm going to do a copy. And as I go down the line here, I'm just going to replace this with paste, this with paste, this with paste, nope, paste, and paste, idea if I got them all right. I could check it, but let me just save. And now let's click over here. Fingers crossed. What? No. Sales. That came up too fast. How about here? But if I do a search, that's new. Select agent, Jarrett. Search sales. There's some sales there. Alright, so to test this is on my server now, presumably. I'm gonna close out. I'm gonna go back to my dashboard here, and I'm gonna click on this again, hoping that we're loading it again. And now if I click here and go here, okay. Alright, so really the way to test it is to add myself as an agent. So I'm going to do, or no, I can add a sale. I'll add a sale. So I'm going to click add sale, and I'm going to select an agent. How about, I don't know, this guy. And I'm going to say it's January 1st, 2019 to Rome, and it's going to be $10,001. Add sale. Okay, there it is. And so I should, in theory, be able to go back to my website and click on sale and see 2019 January 1st, agent key 11, click Gene Ward, and if we go back to that sale, 15, click on destination, and we get Rome. So it looks like we have successfully edited all of the services. No, it doesn't. We haven't tested everything, but you should test everything. Test all of the APIs. But let's assume that everything works. So I didn't mean to do that. So click here, and I'm going to see if I can export. Now I haven't done this for a while, but let me just click on this and see what happens. Export my app. Okay. Download a zip of my project. Is that what I really want to do? I believe that's what I want to do. Click download project zip, and I'm going to save this someplace. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. I'll probably never find it. Campus travel zip. Great. Now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to upload Campus Travel Zip to here. Yeah, I'm going to upload it here in my Campus Ionic. Okay, right up here. So to do that, I'm going to upload, and I got to find my Decline. Go over here, and campus. Here it is. I'm gonna. Here it is. So that's it. And so I'm done. Go back, and there it is. I'm gonna right-click, and I'm going to extract. That's a fine place to extract it to. And now if I hit refresh, reload. Ooh, look at all those new files. And so now if I go here and I go here, go back. So now I'm going to hit refresh, and now when I click on Campus Ionic, look at that. Here we are. Campus Travel. Search sales. Oh look, there's the one I just added. So it looks like we have successfully taken our completed Campus Travel working project here on Creator that was accessing these APIs on this website, and we have exported the APIs over to. I've exported the APIs over to my website, and I've reconnected up the APIs in Creator, and then I exported and once I confirmed that worked, then I exported this app from Creator over to my website, and now I don't need Creator anymore. So anyway, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.